Now, with these three videos, we saw three tools for hard surface. We will use these tools for create our gun. The first that I will do is generate these holes. For that, we will activate the radial symmetry. And what I just do is change the quantity of dots to 5 from 8 to 5. We will use another tool, insert cylinder, and by keep pressing Alt, we will generate 6 cylinders. And that way we will subtract that geometry and we will create these holes. At this moment, everything looks pretty good, but we've got a trouble here. The insertion brush will adapt to the surface of the object that we are working on. So from this part, it looks good, but if we change the point of view, we could see that these 6 cylinders aren't completely aligned. We've got diagonal, and that could generate a problem when we create holes. So from one side will be very separated, but from the other will be very close, and we don't want it like that. So in this case, for the 6 cylinders, we need it flat and aligned. For that, we need the initial surface very flat. For that, we will use the clip curve option. We will disable the symmetry, and we will flat the surface. We could leave it at this distance. Remember, the blurry part will be clipped to the line, will get flat. Now we've got a flat surface, and now we could use the insertion brush. Insert cylinder, activate the symmetry, and we will visualize our piece. We've got a very clear difference. On this case, we've got complete flat surface, and it looks straight and pretty good. I forget press the Alt key. Sorry about that. And now we have our cylinder. In this case, it's very annoying. Visualize those polygons on the surface. It is because we just visualize the inner polygons. For resolve that, we go to display properties and then we press double. And that way we could see the inner part of our cylinder. Remember that in this moment we could modify that shape and that mesh. We will modify the large of the cylinders. If we press shift when we use the transpose, we could see that it will move on a straight line. For example, if we move it without a shift, we can't create a line like this. If we use shift, we could have a straight line. And if we press Ctrl outside, we will get a better shape and the inner holes. In this case, it is just use the smooth brush or smooth a little bit the edges. Well, this is a useful technique. Remember the tools that I show you and you need to practice. We could generate a good polished finish to this. See you on the next video.